Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to draw a cute hedgehog holding an apple. And these are the colors that I will be using. All right, so we're going to start off by drawing the head of the hedgehog. And we're going to draw a line just like that, going a little bit up, okay? So there's a little point here and we're going to draw another line just like that across, okay? Okay, so now we're going to draw the little ears. So just a little loop around that goes up and even on the other side, okay? All right, so now for the body, we're going to bring the line down and we're going to do a curved shape and we're going to bring it all the way back up. There you go. Okay. All right, so now we're going to draw the little spikes, okay, on the hedgehog. So we're going to draw little points just like that, little zigzags, just around the body. Okay, and then when we get to the bottom, we're going to stop at this point because the hedgehog is in a sitting position. We're going to draw more spikes on the other side. And then we're going to bring the little zigzag lines all the way down, just random lines up and down. And then again, when we get to the bottom, we join the line. Okay. All right, so now let's draw the eyes. So I'm going to draw two big eyes. There's one circle and the other circle, okay? And then inside, we're just going to draw a little arch and then we can shade in the little pupil. Okay, if you want, you could add 3 little lashes. All right, and now for the nose. So we're going to draw a little oval shape, just like that. And then the letter J. And then on the other side, backwards J. Okay, so let's draw the little apple in the middle. So here we have, we're going to draw sort of like a heart shape. And then we're going to bring it all the way back to the point here, the little stem. Okay, so now we're going to draw the little hands. And then we're just going to do little zigzag shapes, just like that. And then a line down, little zigzags, and back up. Okay. All right. So now we're going to draw the feet. And we're going to draw a letter U, bring it up, little zigzags up. And then again, the letter U up. And little lines, little zigzag lines. So it's sort of like holding the apple with their hands and feet. Okay, so now let's color our hedgehog. Okay, so I'm going to use a brown and I'm going to go all around it. Okay, so there's 17 species of hedgehogs. They're found in Europe, Africa and Asia. They live in woodland, farmland, parks, and gardens. They spend much of their life asleep and they hibernate during the winter in a nest made from fallen leaves. They come out in spring, but they spend most of the day sleeping and they're more active after the sun goes down. Okay, so they're carnivores. They eat worms, slugs, beetles, and other small insects. Sometimes they'll eat frogs and baby birds, snakes, and fruit. And that's why I decided to draw an apple. Okay, so their eyesight is very poor, but they have great hearing and smell. And they're good runners, climbers, and they can also swim. Okay, so I'm also going to color the inside with a lighter brown, okay? They weigh the same as a pineapple, and they are as long as a classroom ruler. Okay, and the backs and sides are covered in 1-inch long spines. So the spines are also known as quills, okay? And they use it for defense when they curl up, okay? So the face, the chest, belly, and throat and legs are covered in a coarse gray-brown fur. And they live 2 to 5 years. Okay, so I'm also going to use a pale pink to shade in the cheeks. Okay. And a little bit around the eyes here. The nose, light brown. And I'm gonna color the apple red. Now you can color the apple yellow or green if you like. Okay. And I'm also going to color little feet and the arms. And I'll just gently shade around. Before I go, I have a cute joke to share with you. And it goes like this. Why did the hedgehog go to school? To sharpen his skills. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.